Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be completely different to what I normally do, and I have created this super the most natural look that I've probably ever done. A lot of you guys have been requesting to see like the stuff that I do for my photo shoots. Oh my god, the strap. So I thought, you know what, I was so inspired to do such a beautiful, natural, beachy, glowy look because I made this little number here, my first ever wig. I'm so proud of it. Like, I love it so much. And it's just like a really true, nice, like, you know, platinumy, yellowy blonde. Oh, I really want to do a natural, beachy, glowy skin, like light foundation. I am wearing no concealer, like the lightest foundation that I could possibly wear as a foundation, and literally barely anything but highlight. And it just goes to show that little can be more effective as well. Like, I absolutely friggin' love this look on me. It's definitely one of my favorites. It's definitely different when you get something in your eye. That's lovely. So yeah, I created this nice little beach, simple, plastic, natural, whatever you want to call it. It's got a lot of dewy skin, and that's really what I love to do. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do this tutorial for you guys. I know it's not my everyday glam, but you know, I want to mix it up and do different things and, you know, create differences between my channel and everyone else. So I hope you guys really like this video. I decided to do a voiceover for today's video just to try something new, so make sure you let me know down below if you guys like voiceovers. I just thought, you know what, I want to try and do a voiceover for today's tutorial. So I hope you guys really like this glowy, dewy, I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but I really hope you guys like this tutorial, and until my next video guys, I will see you all then. Bye! Alrighty guys, so starting off, I am going to prime my face with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist. And then I'm going to go in with the Tatcha Silk Cream. These are two of my new favorites that I've been friggin' loving to create that dewy skin glow. Alrighty guys, so the next step, I'm going to be taking the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. I swear to god, every time I do voiceover, my dog has to go away. So I'm going to be blending this into my face, as you can see. Now I'm going to move on to foundation, with this is the Aqua Luminous Foundation by Becca. Oh my god guys, this is the best luminous foundation I've ever tried in my life. I absolutely love it. It's very lightweight, so if you are into more fall coverage, this is definitely not for you. This is more of like, you know, the natural skin vibes. So I'm just going to blend this all over my face. I used a little bit of a tanner shade because I wanted to create, you know, that bronzy, glowy, dewy skin vibe, and I thought my pale ass bitch was not really vibing my pale skin, so I decided to darken it up a little bit and just make it a little more bronzy. So next up, I'm going to put concealer. Oh no, we're not doing concealer today, Joel. I'm going to be bronzing today instead, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face to create like a warmth glow, not too much focusing on contouring, etc. And I'm using the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Kit, which is my new fave. For brows, I'm just going to do a light brow. I'm just going to really do it natural. I'm just going to use the MAC brow pencil and just push the hairs up. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX brow gel and just add a bit more color and just pushing all the brow hairs up. I'm not focusing on a shape. I'm just doing my natural brow, which I will do every day usually. So after that, I'm going to be focusing on the cheeks. I feel like a little bit of blush is the perfect add to this. It just makes your skin a little bit more glowy. It makes it look a little bit more, you know, sun-kissed and golden rather than a little bit of flatness. And I like doing this for that dewy, bronzy glow. For eyes, I'm just going to take this brown shade by Barely There, which is a palette from Model's Own. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid and just literally placing that on the lid. Now I'm going to be doing my highlight, which is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Shadows. That's a tongue twister. And I'm going to be using the shade Monster and Lunch Money for a nice glow. I tend to use my fingers with these because they are very creamy, and it just helps blend out the product flawlessly. Alright guys, so finishing off the look, I'm just going to apply some dewy skin mist and a lip gloss, and then we are good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye!